In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot in Windows. This is a quick and easy process, and by following these steps, you'll be ready to experience the enhanced functionalities that Copilot brings. Let's dive in. First, we need to navigate to the Settings menu on your Windows device. To do this, you can simply click on the Start button, which is usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This opens up a menu where you'll find a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on it to proceed. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the option that says Personalization. This section allows you to customize various aspects of your Windows experience. Everything from your desktop background to your theme colors. You'll want to select this option as Copilot settings are nested within. Within the Personalization menu, you'll see several options on the left-hand side. Scroll down and select Taskbar. This is the area of your screen where applications you've opened are displayed and where you can pin your favorite apps for quick access. When you're in the taskbar settings, keep an eye out for a toggle switch labeled Copilot. This section of settings is relatively straightforward and easy to navigate, but if you don't see it right away, take a moment to scroll down. The settings are often listed alphabetically, so you can find it more efficiently that way. The next step is to activate Copilot. Simply click on the toggle switch to turn it on. Once you set this to on, your Windows system will enable Copilot. This process should be instantaneous, but if you experience any delays or need assistance, checking your system updates or ensuring your Windows version supports Copilot may be helpful troubleshooting steps. Now that you've turned it on, look at your taskbar. You should see a new icon, which represents Copilot. This icon will allow you to access Copilot quickly and start using its features right away. By clicking this icon, you can begin exploring everything Copilot has to offer, from helping manage your multitasking to creating new text or even coding snippets. It's a powerful tool to have right at your fingertips. Enabling Copilot is all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can easily enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow using this innovative tool. Remember, customization is a big part of getting the most out of your Windows experience, so feel free to explore further options within the personalization settings to truly make your workspace your own. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.